To upload an image into Marketo, you need to go to the Design Studio tab and click on it. On the left, find the Images and Files directory, right-click on it, and create a new folder to organize your images. Add your own name to the end, just so it doesn't conflict with anyone else's. Okay, once we've created that directory, right-click on it and select Upload Image or File. There's two ways to get images into Marketo. One, you can browse on your desktop and upload them. So in this case, I've got the Summit PNG file here, so I'm going to click on it and click Open. If I wanted to bring in extra files, I could hold down Control and click the other files I wanted to import. So you're not limited to just bringing in one. In this case, I just select the Summit PNG and click Open. Now, if I select Override Existing Files, it'll overwrite similarly named files in there. But if I don't, I just can click Upload and it will upload it. Once the file or multiple files have uploaded, you can click Finish. Now, if we click on this directory, we'll see this new image. The other way to get images into Marketo is to scrape them off your website or any other website. If you go to File Actions, select Grab Images from Web. Now select the web page import from, and in the URL, put in your website. In this case, I'll put in summitmarketo.com and click Next. Now what Marketo will do is scrape all the images it can find on that page and show them to you. In this case, we want the Summit image. We click on it and click Import. Also from that screen, you could have selected multiple images. It'll confirm that the images were imported, and then you can click Close. Now you'll see the two images appear here. If you want to get the URL of the image as hosted by Marketo, simply click on the image and then you'll see the URL here, a preview. You can click on it and copy. So now you have the URL if you wish to use it elsewhere, for example, in a landing page or an email.